Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we will see how to allow camera access on Instagram. We started by going to Instagram and trying to create a story. After that, we will see that if we do not have permission granted, we cannot use the camera. Therefore, we are going to click on the Open Settings notice. Here we enter permissions. Then we look for the camera option and click on it. After that, we select the Allow option. Finally, we will see that we already have camera permission and we can use it normally on Instagram. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.